The Tools menu for the Company Profile form is available when the company profile is open. The first option in the menu is for blanket changes. There may be a need to change one field for most or all of the companies, and it can be cumbersome and time-consuming to open each company's record individually and change them. This is especially true when the data has been imported and the same field is empty in every record but needs to be filled with the same information. For example, the name of the state may be the same for every record in the database. This is easily solved by the Blanket Changes option on the Tools menu. If you want to make changes to certain companies and not every company, mark the companies in the list on the left and select the Make Changes Only to Selected Company above, and the changes will only be made to those company records. Select Make Changes to All Companies in the database to make the changes to every company record. Put a check mark in the Change box in front of each field you want to change for every company record in the database. Only fields with the Change box checked will be changed. If you want to remove all of the data in a specific field, for example, if you want to remove all of the notes for all of the companies in the database, select the Change option, then select the blank checkbox for notes at the bottom of the form. If you want to insert the same information for every company record in one or more fields, just mark the Change box and enter the data in the field at the right of the label. Notice that the state or province label is underlined. Click Edit and the field changes so an international address can be entered. The Notes option can replace the data that's currently in the file with data that you enter here, or you can select the Append to Notes option and the data will be appended to the information that's already in the field. The second option in the Company Profile Tools menu is Set Defaults. This is similar to the Blanket Changes option, but the data entered here is automatically inserted each time a new company record is created. For example, if all of the companies that you will create records for are located in the state of New Mexico, uncheck the blank option and select New Mexico from the state or province pull-down list. Notice that the state or province label is underlined. This means that you can click on the label and change it to an international address text box. The same as previous option will insert the same data for the selected field as what is in the last record of the company profile table. Enter New License Key is the third option on the Tools menu. This option is only available when the company profile is open. Increasing the number of companies that can be added to the company profile form is one reason that you'd want to purchase an additional license. If you purchase a license for additional companies, a new key will be provided, and this is where it needs to be entered. Once the key is entered, close down the application, and when it's reopened, the application will accept new companies. This concludes the tutorial movie for the Company Profile Tools menu.